I have this old ring that I've had for a number of years. It's costume jewelry, but I really like it because the silver part hasn't tarnished, but the center uh, fake stone, whatever it is, has turned kind of yellow. It used to be just a real pretty pale whitish pink opalesque looking stone. So I don't want to get rid of the ring, but I want to do something with the center. I want to remove this center and do something else with it. And I think that's going to be easier said than done because this was quite well made. Don't know what I'm going to need to do to get that out of there safely. So let me work on that and I'll be right back. Well, I got the top part of the fake stone, whatever that was, off, but I couldn't get the base off. And then I thought, well, that's going to work to my advantage because I can color that with a base coat and then fill it in with some little stones or shell chips or something like that and put UV resin over it and dome it up nicely. And I don't know what this metal is, but it stood up to my my grinder. See where I've kind of ground it around that bezel, and it didn't tarnish. There doesn't seem to be copper or brass underneath, so I don't know what this is, but this ring is maybe a little better quality than I thought. So I don't know what the design is going to be here. These are some little shell chips. Wonder what it would look like if I would put some of those in there. You have to use your imagination. Put some of those in there. Layers and layers with some UV resin. What do you think? I think that would be kind of pretty. So, I don't know, that's probably what I'll try. But whatever I try, you can try it with me. I'll be back shortly. Okay, I've just discovered another possibility. I don't know what I want to do now. These are teeny tiny little iridescent rhinestones. Let's see what that might look like. Again, use your imagination. But if I had those as a base and scattered throughout layers of UV resin, I think that might be pretty too. Now I don't know what to do. What should I do? Stay tuned. Okay, I've decided what I'm going to use, and it needs a base color, so I'm going to use white nail polish. Now, the first thing I need to do is put down a little bit of UV resin in the base for the first layer of rhinestones to stick to. Okay. The best way I know to do this is to just start gently tapping them in. Shake off the excess. Let's make sure all the rhinestones are within the shoulder or the frame, the shoulders, the frame. bezel. If you repair rings or make inlay rings, get yourself one of these ring holders and mandrel sets by Bentwood Ring Supplies. It's incredibly useful for holding a ring to do inlay work. And now we'll put it under the UV lamp for the first cure for about 60 seconds. Okay, the first layer is cured. Now we need to carefully apply some more UV resin, and we're going to start doming this. And we'll put it back under the lamp for about 2 minutes this time. All right, it's starting to dome up nicely. Let's see if I can show you. That's what we want. We want to build up that dome so that it looks like a cabochon stone. So, time to apply more UV resin. And back under the lamp we go. I am so pleased with how this ring turned out. With a little imagination, we gave new life to an old piece of jewelry. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Do you have a piece of old jewelry that you'd like to have remade? Let me know in the comments and let's see what we can do.